Hi, hello everyone. Welcome you all to our channel. Today we are going to see the most important thing, that is Karnataka State Biotechnology Aptitude Test. This test is for skill enhancement program. This is an entrance examination for the skill enhancement program. The skill enhancement program is for both the peoples of Karnataka as well as for other state people. So if you are from any other state, you can kindly listen here if you are interested. The things that you should know before is the first thing, that is the eligibility criteria. If you have completed 4-year bachelor degree courses in the following category, you can apply for this respective KBAT entrance examination. The courses were, the first courses is biotechnology, second one is bioinformatics, third one is pharmacy, fourth one is agriculture or veterinary or any other life science courses. If you have completed, you can apply for this examination. The second thing is, if you have completed bachelor in science and then master in science, totally 5 year, you can apply for this examination. In the following specialization, if you have completed, you can definitely apply for this examination. The first degree is biotechnology, second one is microbiology, third one is biochemistry, fourth one is bioinformatics, and fifth one is life science related courses. If you have completed the above specialization, you can definitely apply for this respective KBAT examination. The one more thing that you should know is, if you have scored 50% marks in this respective specialization, you can definitely apply for this examination. And if you are belongs to SC or ST category, you have to score 40% marks. That is the eligibility criteria that they are asking for this KBAT examination. The second thing is the most important, that is, this one is a post graduation diploma course that you have to do the course for 6 months in classroom and another 6 months in a respective company as a internship, that they will pick you up to do the intern. After the completion of the first 6 months, you will get internship in the following sectors. The first sector is agriculture and food sector. Second one is pharma and health sector. Third one is bioprocessing and manufacturing sector. These were the three sectors, and there are subcategories in the following sectors. The first sector is agriculture and food sector. In that particular agri and food sector, the following subcategories were plant genetic engineering and then nutraceuticals and food processing. And the second one, pharma and health sector. In this pharma and health sector, the subcategories were bioinformatics and big data analytics. Second one is cellular and molecular diagnostics. Third one is clinical research and data management. Fourth one is multi-omics technology. These were the four categories. And next one, third one is bioprocessing and manufacturing sector. In this sector, you will get in the first category protein expression and scale up, second one is fermentation and bioprocessing, and third one is biopharmaceutical technology. These were the categories that comes under bioprocessing and manufacturing sector. These were in detail. The most important thing that you should know, after the completion of 6 month, first 6 month, you will get intern in the respective company in the following group of jobs. That's all that I have to say here. The most important note, that is, if you have cleared this KBAT entrance examination, you have to attend the course. That is the most important thing. Before entering into the class, you have to submit your final mark sheet of your degree. Second one is, if you have cleared the examination and if you do not have your respective final year mark sheet, you have to pay the fees of the course. That is the most worst thing that they are doing actually, because if you have cleared, you have to attend the course, or else you have to pay the fees, total fees you have to pay. The one more thing that I like to say here is, the fees for this category is rupees 50,000, which does not include the examination fees, additional examination fees. Okay, which does not include the additional examination fees. The total fees is 50,000 for the entire year. And if you belongs to Karnataka state, you have to pay only 25,000. The remaining 25,000 will be paid by the government itself. That is the important thing you should know. The reservation for this examination, after the clearance of KBAT examination, the reservation for the seats will be like 10 seats for the people belongs to Karnataka and 10 seats for the other state peoples. This is the reservation, that category that is going to be followed by the government. The next thing is there are several colleges. So if you have 20 seats in a college, 10 seats for the state of Karnataka peoples and then 10 seats for the other state people. That is the thing that is they are following actually. The next thing you should know about the test syllabus. It is particularly an online test, and you will have a MCQ, that is this multiple choice question test. Okay, the next thing you should know in depth about the syllabus. The following were the topics that is going to be in the test. Okay, the first is English, logical reasoning, GK, maths, computer science, immunology, cell biology, genetics, biochemistry, microbiology, analytical techniques, molecular biology, animal biotechnology, plant biotechnology. These were the topics in detail. Next thing you should know is if you have shortlisted, your counseling will be at Bangalore. Merit list will be announced for only once. The next thing is you should have to take 3 passport size photograph and 10th 12th mark sheet, and along with bachelor and master degree cards and your community certificate. You have to take it with yourself. These were the things that necessary during the counseling time. At last you have to visit this website that is visible in our display now. You have to visit this website to know in depth about the date of examination, date of registration, and then result date and all. You have to, if you have to know, you have to visit this website, and you should know in depth about the particular things that you should confirm it, because these things you should know before applying. So kindly check with this website and then do confirm and then apply for this examination. Kindly subscribe our channel and do share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and keep supporting.